In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add add-ons to Google Docs to extend its functionality. Whether you want extra tools for writing, formatting, or productivity, or you simply want to make your Google Docs experience more powerful, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. By the end, you'll be able to install and manage add-ons like a pro. First, open your Google Docs and look at the top menu. You'll see an option labeled Add-ons. Go ahead and click on it. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details, because this is where all the magic begins. Next, click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can browse hundreds of add-ons designed to enhance your Docs experience. You'll see options for everything from advanced formatting tools to math equation editors, citation generators, and more. Find the add-on you want and click on it. On the next screen, click Install, then Continue and choose your Google account. Finally, click Allow to give the add-on the permissions it needs. Don't worry, it's safe if it's from the marketplace. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation message and can click Done. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Double-check that the add-on is compatible with Docs, and only install add-ons from trusted sources. Doing this beforehand can save you time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've installed the add-on, go back to the Add-ons menu in Google Docs. You'll see your newly installed add-on listed there. If you need to manage it, click Manage Add-ons, where you can uninstall or adjust settings as needed. This makes it easy to keep your Docs environment clean and organized. It's also a good idea to explore different add-ons to see which ones really improve your workflow. Some add-ons let you automate repetitive tasks, others help with editing or formatting, and a few even integrate with other Google apps seamlessly. Taking this extra step ensures your Google Docs experience is both efficient and customized to your needs, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add, manage, and uninstall Google Docs add-ons easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want to make their Google Docs more powerful. Why not make someone's day easier?